literally just to the left of the camera, right of the camera even. I've spoken to him, it's 3 questions. Yeah. Super stuff, lovely. Thanks for Dino. Yeah, okay, mate. I won't stand in front of you and give you like a 3-second nod, okay? Cheers, Dino.
Oh, he's outside anymore? Right, okay. Thank you.
Your core, shots probably off you. Yeah, lovely. Cheers, Dino. Thanks, mate.
Yeah, got it. The two of them.
Yep. Offside, guys.
30 seconds, thank you. Which side do you want that side?
You go that side now, bear with, because they go in now.
Over there.
We've got to go over there. Quick, quick. Just on there, by the front.
White, go and stand on the disc. Need the balls. Red or white, spread out. Your brain's going, Johnny. Done the gig before for the new ones. Yes, Joey, all you're doing, you're working. Red to white, you're jogging. Red to white, Tyler. On the whistle, you've got to stay on the disc, no sharing. The last person back to a disc does 2 jumps. Okay, so you're jogging to start with. Ready, go. 2, 1, where you go? On the move. You must be on the move, Gus. You must be on the move, Joe. Red to white. Red to white. Good. You can't just go round in the square.
Come on, Smudge.
Here it is. Rest in it. Go on, Lucy. 2 jumps, mate. Decent chest. Good. Same again, side on. Where you go? Side up, side up. Century to the middle. Good, Nico. Good, Johnny. There it is, Johnny. I love that. Working it in. Working it in. Johnny, you can't stand still. Good. Good, good. Keep working, keep working, keep working. There it is. Sparky. Sparky, there it is. Same again, going backwards. There you go. Backwards only. Going quicker now, Reed. Chrissy. There it is, good, Eve, good. Rabby, don't just go round in the square, Rab. There we go. Who was it, Joe? Who was it? Okay, last one, Cav. It's a bit quicker now. You can't share the same line, so I need your ears and eyes, Cav. If Joe Morell's down there, Keith, you can't share the same line. Yeah, see as you say, Cav. Dig them out to start with. 2, 1, where you go? Quicker! I'm hit. There it is, no one's going, you gotta keep moving! There it is! Okay, jumps out, I need you in 8. 8 there, please, yellow, 10, 8, and 8. Sharpie, I need you to rev. Yes, Rabbi! There it is. Yes, T! Keep going, bring it on! Bring it on, bring it on, bring it on! Yes, Con, bring it on! Oh, go! Catch him up, catch him up! Two to go. High skill level this, Nico. Always have one ball at the goal. It's a setup. behind me. So keeper, if you start, you start with this ball. This is how it works. Gaz to start with, it's a low-level skill. You drive out. Yeah, we've got 2 to go. You must be that side of the line. Keep away off a bit. On the same side, though. Yeah, to start with, it's the ball on the floor. 1 touch finish.
Wait!
Yeah, 1 touch finish. Yeah, 1 touch finish. If he doesn't score, the ball comes back out. Yeah, keeper. When you've got out